Hello, everyone. This is Miss Hill. We've been talking about our breathing to help with stressful situations when you're in class. I also want to show you some videos that you can create an account on Go Noodle. You just want to go to gonoodle.com and you can create an account. I already have one, so I'm just going to go under mine for now. Um, So there are many clips that you can click on that can help you. You can use this on your phone. Like say you're in class and you need to take a time out in the hallway. Put your earbuds in and use this. Or if you're with your family or something and it's stressful and you need to take a break. So you just scroll down. There's many different things you can do on here, but right now I just want to show you some calming exercises you can do. So you want to scroll down till you see flow right here. And excuse all my tabs. I know you guys get mad when I have all these tabs open. So you want to click on show all. And all of these are different ways that you can do some calming techniques. My favorite one right now is weather the storm, and you click on that. Um, okay, I'm not gonna. I don't want you to see it all. I want it to be a surprise. Um, but these are ways. I'm gonna scroll back down, and you want to go to flow, show all, and then you can pick whichever one you want. Um, Play around with them, see which one is best suited for you, and let me know how you like it. All right, you guys. See you later. Bye-bye.